pour la direction c'est à cause de l'arrivée tard de l'avion à Vancouver. Quand tu ouvres un peu aux portes, c'est bon.
Good morning. Well, yesterday was an eventful day to get to Vancouver. I'll tell you about that later. But made it here, had a really good dinner, went to this place called Carboneros. Anyway, look at this. And then had a wonderful, I forgot to take a picture of it, but it had a seafood, kind of like a clam chowder, but they called it a seafood soup. But it was a cream base, and then had what they called sizzling, it was shrimp, sizzling prawns, I think, and had wonderful piece of bread with it. Oh my God, so good. And it was in butter and garlic and stuff like that. And so then I could take the bread and dip it in that. Oh, it was like my heaven right there. Everyone knows it's my weakness. And then I do have to say yesterday was a heavy day because I only ate twice, but oh my gosh, I had cheesecake, okay? I had cheesecake. I didn't even take a picture of it, but it was good. I'm here for a work conference, so I'm going to be going down and actually getting down there right now. It's exactly 8 o'clock, and I'm ready to go. I had to iron a couple things because it is a work conference. I had to bring different types of clothes, but just wearing a sweater today. Most of the stuff is here in the hotel, so that's good. I'm at the Westin Bay Shore Hotel, and here it's first day getting ready. It's actually raining and gloomy outside, so there's no light, but the lights are really, really, it looks bright, but it's not. It's got a yellow tone, and it's very, oh wow, big airplanes going by. I don't know if I caught that, but weird, like a seaplane. Random. But it is surrounded by all water and stuff. So, but I'm here at the Westin Bay Shore, and anyway, the bathroom lighting is not great. I have to say that. So it was a little difficult. I don't know how this looks, but I'm hoping it looks okay. So I'm off because I'm literally off my rocker. I'm a little tired from yesterday, but these are long days for this conference. We usually start, like I said, it's 8 o'clock. Got to get down for breakfast, meet, greet people, do my thing, and then a lot of sessions. There's an opening session, a lot of breakout sessions and stuff. And then I'm going to a night out, reception. And then one of our vendors is hosting an after thing, at a restaurant and stuff, a little after hours party. So we're going to go to that. And so I'm excited to see what this restaurant has. So the food was really good. I have to say this restaurant was very, very expensive. Very, very expensive. But totally worth it. The food was really good. Small portions for how expensive it was. But it is what it is. It's we're going to go with the flow. Oh, all right. Let me show you a little bit outside. It is raining, but I don't have a balcony, but my door open. So as you can see here, it's got this big window and stuff. I'll give you a room tour later. I kind of got a whole bunch of stuff out, but you just kind of open it up. And it opens. So here's kind of where I'm at. So I'm over the pool, the pool's down there. And then little bay harbor. On the other side, it's pretty much the same. So, when I am off, I've got to get down there. So, got to get down there. Gotta go. Two eventful days at this conference. It has been very long days. It's another long day. It's around 5 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go up to Grouse Mountain. I think it's called Grouse Mountain. And it's part of the event. It's part of the conference. Anyway, gonna go up to Grouse Mountain. I don't know how much of this I'll be able to record just because it's a lot of work, people, but I'm going to try to record some of it, and hopefully people will be okay. If they ask what I'm doing. It's going to be super cold, so I have my couple thermals, the tank top, my hiking boots on. I got, a couple layers on my legs. I got my puffer jacket. I have my beanie. I have gloves. Yeah, I'm loading down. I'm not going to be cold. Because I have been cold all day. I had to change my shoes to my heavier shoes because I was so cold earlier in the conference rooms. Oh, I don't know how people were going around with short sleeves and stuff. All right, let's go up the mountain.